The Biden administration has extended the COVID public health emergency by another 90 days, despite President Biden's recent claim that the pandemic is over. The president made those remarks in an interview for 60 Minutes last month. The health emergency will end on January 11th if it isn't extended again. The emergency declaration allows the U.S. healthcare system to act quickly.
The warnings are coming in, not just at the local, but the state, the federal level. In fact, the CDC is warning that we should all brace for a potentially severe flu season this year. And as you mentioned, big news out of San Diego. They've seen outbreaks. One high school there, in fact, reported hundreds of absences possibly tied to the flu. We've seen upticks in other states as well. And what's alarming for doctors is that these cases of the flu are higher than what they normally see across the country at this time of year. The southeast, also south central parts of the U.S., most impacted. The CDC says it's to skip the flu shot this year, some wanting to give their bodies a break from vaccines. LA County health leaders encourage everyone who's eligible to get at the same time.
Oftentimes you hear about people trying to time their vaccines, waiting until the flu cases have risen or until we are in the middle of a COVID surge. Getting your COVID bivalent booster and your flu vaccine now, before there's another winter surge, is your very best protection.
I don't think we're far enough in to know how much of a deficit we're going to see in folks getting the flu vaccine, because we're really working hard to get the message out there. We really want to protect our vulnerable populations. I mean, the extremes of age are so at risk from flu, and especially our seniors with comorbidities and our babies that can't get the vaccine. I mean, you can get it at 6 months, but we've got, children and babies that are particularly vulnerable and are hospitalized and have a higher mortality rate.
And county health leaders say they've really tried to simplify the process to make it easy for anyone who wants to get a flu shot to get that shot in the arm. They say that you can get it at their mobile clinics, also county health centers. You can get your flu shots there for free, and also local pharmacies and, of course, your doctor's office. That's the latest here in Sherman Oaks. Corinne Winter, KTLA 5 News.